People across the country are reporting massive hikes in the cost of home heating oil, prices having increased by as much as 35% in the last number of days. The cost of home heating oil was already high, so people really can't believe what they're seeing here. This morning I was contacted by a 94-year-old woman from Wexford who relies on home heating oil to keep her house warm. And only last week the price for a half fill of oil from her provider was €464. But by midday today, that had jumped to €879. That's almost double in just days. This extortionate hike puts this elderly woman under huge pressure, but her options are either pay up or go cold. And this woman isn't alone, Taoiseach. Yesterday on the radio, people spoke out about the price of home heating oil shooting up sharply in real time. Heating oil providers have jacked up their prices by hundreds of euros, and this is blatant price gouging and greed. It's a brazen rip-off happening in plain sight. Of course, the price surge is also hitting motorists at the pumps. People are reporting increases as high as 10 cents on the litre since this onslaught began. Companies clearly taking advantage of this crisis to squeeze even more profit from their customers, and you, Taoiseach, are entirely passive on the matter. You said yesterday that there was no excuse for price gouging, but it's not good enough to criticise price gouging and then do absolutely nothing about it. And by the way, writing a letter to the CCPC and asking for a review of the energy market is really no action at all, Taoiseach. It's a cop-out. You need to pick up the phone and tell the top brass in these companies to stop fleecing people. You need to drop your plan to increase carbon tax in the coming weeks, increases that will drive up costs of home heating oil even further. Surely you can now accept it is your job to step in and act with purpose to protect households from these hikes and stop this price gouging. Mar tá teaghlaigh cráite ag ortha ulmhóra phrais an ulla tastí. Tá phrais gouging agus suntla feicil go selar ó cólachtaí. Agus caithfí an rialta stop a chur leis an saol seo. Taoiseach, you can't do nothing as these price shocks hit home. For too long, the message from Fianna Fáil and Fine Gael to struggling households has been, you're on your own. And that has to change, and change fast. People are under pressure. You need to intervene to help. So, will you scrap your plan to push up the price of home heating oil even further? Will you tell people today that you won't hike carbon taxes while they struggle to heat their homes? And will you now outline what concrete direct action you will take, Taoiseach, to end this rip-off and stop the price gouging? And you're left with a clear choice. You can take on these price gouging companies, or you can sit back and force households to take the pain. Which choice will you make?